So these are the two topics which we are going to discuss. Now let me just give you a hint of this one topic, future of energy. Let's say here the article is about unified policy architecture for India's energy future. When we are talking about notes making, that how we should be preparing the notes of this topic. Okay. What is the theme here? If you look at this, the theme here is energy. The theme is energy. And you will find that in 1 month, there is around 4 to 5 editorials on minimum with respect to this topic. You will get 4 to 5 editorials per month with respect to this one topic. So it's not that your entire notes is going to be completed in just one editorial. Every editorial is adding some new perspective with respect to energy. So now what you can do, like suppose right now, in today's session, when we are talking about energy, what we are going to see? We are going to see some of the facts with respect to current energy status. We will talk about some of the achievements of India. We will talk about some limitations which are there. And we will talk about the unified policy approach. Unified policy approach. Unified policy approach. So when you are making the notes of this one topic, energy, so today you can note down all these 4 parts, that there is the facts with respect to the current energy status or current energy mix of India, then the achievements of India over the last some years, then we will also talk about the limitations, then we will talk about the unified policy approach. Maybe in the next week, you may again get some editorial with respect to solar versus nuclear, or you may get this, that solar energy, what are the issues and all. Sometimes you will be getting topic about the hydropower. Okay. So you can have pages which you can add here. Suppose on one page, today you are making the notes of this one thing. Okay. So you are having one loose page where you are writing today's notes. Now suppose after 1 week, you are getting another article with respect to editorial of energy, you can add one more page. Gradually over a period of time, you will find that you will have 6 to 7 pages with respect to this energy. Now, this is not only current affairs. If you look at this, it is one of the very important part of your syllabus. It is a very important part of your syllabus. So you are not just covering the current affairs. In fact, you are covering the entire syllabus portion related to energy. It is not prepared in one day. It will be generally accumulated over a period of time. And do we need to update it always? You will find that every editorial is adding some new perspective, because those people who are writing the editorials, they are experts of this field. They are experts of the field. So in any one book or any one notes, you will get a limited perspective. But with the help of editorial, you are going to add on new perspectives every time. Now, just to give you one idea, many of you have been attending the session from the last 2-3 months. So you may have seen that on this topic of energy, we have discussed already 7 to 8 articles in the last 1 month. And every time you will be getting some new ideas that what we can do with respect to India's energy issue. Okay. So this is one thing which you have to do. I hope that is clear.